And what we today know is that we have been told a false story. The caveman cartoon, right? In one hand, he's got a club, a weapon, and in the other hand, he's dragging a woman by the hair. And we think nothing of showing this to children before their brains, much less their critical faculties, are formed. So what does it say? It says, hey, male dominance, violence, inequality, that's just human nature, right? It's always been that way. By definition, it always will be that way. Well, number one, we today know from neuroscience, by the way, that the pleasure centers in our brains light up more when we share and care than when we win and dominate. But we also, the evidence, and it is an enormous amount of evidence from archaeology, from anthropology, from linguistics, from mythology, even DNA studies, show that for literally thousands and thousands of years, human culture was more generally equitable, more peaceful. War, we now know, despite what we're told, is only between 5,000 and 10,000 years old. That's a drop in the evolutionary bucket. And yes, it was more gender balanced. In other words, it oriented more to the partnership rather than the domination side. And my books and articles and just speaking, teaching has focused on this. And it is very important that we know the real story about human nature and the real story about our past, because otherwise we think we're stuck, don't we?